Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making a delicious and spicy beef karahi, packed with flavor and super easy to make at home. First, I cut the beef into small pieces, including both meat and bones. But if you don't like bones, you can use boneless beef instead. In a hot pan, I added some oil. Once the oil reached about 150 degrees Celsius, or frying temperature, I added the beef and fried it for around 5 minutes. In between, I cut some tomatoes into 4 pieces. Then, I added them to the beef, covered the pot, and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I carefully peeled off the tomato skins one by one. Make sure to wear gloves, because the tomatoes are hot. Once all the skin is removed, I added some green chilies and cooked for another 10 minutes. Then, I added my whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cloves, black cardamom, and black pepper, and continued cooking for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I chopped some onions and added them into the pot. Red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder for that beautiful color, and salt to taste. I mixed everything well and cooked it on high heat for about 15 minutes. Then, I reduced the heat to medium-low, covered the pot, and let it cook slowly for another 45 minutes. And here it is, my beef karahi is ready. Look at that rich color, it looks absolutely delicious. You can serve this with naan, flatbread, or boiled rice. Try this recipe at home, you're gonna love this spicy karahi beef. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.